Okay, we just wanted to put together a quick video here on an update that we've made to our Vive stethoscope. In the past, users haven't been able to tell the difference between which side is active, either the bell or the diaphragm. In the newer models though, we've added this little green dot. Now what this dot does is when you rotate the head, it indicates which side of the valve is open. So only one side will measure at a time. This helps to filter out background noise and just give you a clearer sound when you're using the device. What you'll be able to do is if you look inside the hole here, when I rotate that, you may be able to see a slight change. You'll actually see that little valve open and closed. So to activate the diaphragm side, all you need to do is turn the head. The metal actually swivels right here. Just turn the head until that green dot is pointed in the direction of the diaphragm, and vice versa to use the bell. And that's really about it.